Hey guys, real quick, if this is obviously a diatomaceous earth filter, and just want to share a quick tip. If you're running your pump and you notice that you keep running your pump, again, I apologize with the lawnmower in the background, it's not mine, but your filter basically runs to, for example, mine runs around 13 psi. It jumps up to about 25 psi after about a half an hour. So if you notice that your filter just seems to keep getting clogged and keep getting clogged, what happens, of course, is the grids start to get clogged with calcium and oils and dirt, and you can try spraying them off, but it doesn't work very well. So here's the key, and it works every single time. You should really do it about once a year, if not twice a year. And this is the stuff that you want to use. It's right here. It's great. It's Leisure Time Filter Clean, okay? And all you do is use half a bottle, 16 ounces, in about 4 to 5 gallons of water, and you leave it in here. Now the key is, it says 3 hours. You want to leave it overnight. I've done this before. I've left it for 4 or 5 hours. It didn't really work well. When I left it overnight, actually almost 24 hours, it came out and it was like a brand new filter. This stuff really works. I do not work for the company, do not make any money, I promise. I can tell you, just I've used it before. It works great. Again, you just need half the bottle, or it says 16 ounces, pour 4 gallons of water, and I fill it up and I soak it right here in this Home Depot bucket. Soak it overnight, because right now my water is not looking too good, and my filter was just clogging literally every 15-20 minutes. Even though I backwashed it, I put in new DE, I did everything possible, and I know it's time. This is what's happened in the past. And if you put this stuff in, soak it overnight, and again, take it out, and your DE filter will work like brand new. So I hope this helps somebody. If you're having a problem again and your filter keeps clogging up and it's not running really good, soak it in this stuff. The longer the better. If you can literally soak it for 24 hours, that is perfect. I would honestly say a minimum of 12 hours, but 24 is even better. Take it out. All you do is rinse it off with a hose. If you can, ideally, it says to let it dry before you reinstall it back into your filter, and then put your recommended amount of DE, and off you go. So good luck, be well. All right guys, so quick follow-up. This has been soaking about 16 hours. Again, with the Leisure Time, half a bottle. Well, this is the 32-ounce bottle, so you get 2 doses with it. And all I'm going to do now is pull this out. Let's see here what this looks like. All right. Now, the cool part is you can reuse this. So I'm just going to go ahead and get a lid and put a lid on it. And that way I can use this more than once, which is pretty cool. So I don't have to waste it. All right, so I'm going to take this, and all you're going to do, I apologize, I only have one hand. All right, there are the rods. You're going to hose this down now, and then obviously reinstall it. So this definitely works with a DE filter, and this thing again should start to run exactly like new. So a really cool, easy product. Again, Leisure Time, but if your filter again is running slow, a great piece, a great item, and it works really well. Good luck, guys. Hey guys, so hopefully you can hear over the sound of the motor. But anyway, so a big difference has been running for about a half an hour now. And when I primed it up, I put my 4 pounds of DE. It was at 10, and it's still at 10. So again, just really a big difference when you get those, grids cleaned. Again, soaking it with that solution, a huge difference. This thing's running great now. And I just opened my pool. I opened it late this year because it's just, unfortunately, so but already a big difference with the water, and I definitely have some green water, so I'm getting rid of. But again, just a really big difference once again. So if you're having a problem and your filter seems to be kind of running slow, again, I really highly suggest it. Already a huge difference. This thing's running great, and hopefully within a day or two I'll be back swimming.